Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mycelium leather at home. Mycelium leather is an innovative, eco-friendly material, offering a fantastic alternative to traditional animal leather. It's created from the root-like structure of fungi, known as mycelium. This process is much more sustainable, utilizing agricultural waste as a food source and avoiding harsh chemicals. You can achieve a material with a similar look and feel to conventional leather, right in your own space. The first step is cultivating your mycelium. Begin by sterilizing a mixture of agricultural waste, such as sawdust or shredded paper, along with mycelium spores. This creates a clean, suitable environment for growth. Place this mixture in a controlled setting, maintaining consistent temperature and humidity. Over approximately 7 days, the mycelium will consume the waste, forming a dense, mat-like structure, ready for the next stage. Once your mycelium mat has fully grown, it's time for harvesting and shaping. Carefully remove the mat from its growth substrate, handling it gently to prevent damage. Rinse it thoroughly with tap water to remove any lingering substrate particles. Then, using a press or rolling pin, flatten the mycelium into a thin, even sheet, achieving your desired thickness and shape. This forms the foundational material for your new leather alternative. The final stage involves drying and finishing your mycelium leather. Place the formed mat in a drying chamber or oven at a low temperature, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, to remove all moisture. Applying gentle heat and pressure during this process helps strengthen the material and refine its texture. Afterward, treat the dried sheet with natural oils, like olive oil or a plasticizer such as glycerol, to enhance its flexibility and durability, giving it that true leather-like feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.